step into the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Denali. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 5SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 20x9 multi-dimensional polished alloy, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, forged perforated leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, adaptive ride control suspension and radio, premium GMC infotainment sys with navigation. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.